Welcome back to our channel, fellow travellers and campervan enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for maintaining a comfortable and healthy living space on the road: dehumidifiers for campervans and caravans. Humidity can be a real nuisance in campervans and caravans, causing problems like mould, dampness, and musty odours. If you've ever been faced with a mouldy pop-top or musty caravan after a winter at home, you'll know what we mean. But fear not, because we've done the research for you and we're about to unveil the top 5 campervan and caravan dehumidifiers for both hookup and off-grid, available on Amazon right now. In this video, we'll be covering a range of dehumidifiers, from compact solutions to high-capacity devices. We'll discuss their features, reliability, durability, price, and even share some insights from real users. So, whether you're a full-time van lifer or just enjoy the occasional road trip, stick around because these dehumidifiers might just become your new travel companions. Let's kick things off with the Ancio Dehumidifier 500ml Condensation Remover. This product comes in a pack of 10, making it incredibly convenient for those longer journeys. Each unit is compact, making it perfect for smaller spaces like campervans, caravans, or even closets. These dehumidifiers are designed to tackle dampness, mould, and excess moisture effectively whilst off-grid by absorbing damp into their gel packs, which you can then simply throw away. Leave one of these in your camper during the off-season, and you won't need to scrub mould off your pop-top spring. In terms of reliability, Ancio has a solid reputation for producing dependable products. The users rave about their efficiency in removing moisture, especially in confined spaces. One of the standout features of these dehumidifiers is their 500 ml capacity, which means less frequent emptying. In terms of price, these Ancio dehumidifiers are quite budget-friendly, especially when you consider that you get 10 units in one pack. This makes them an excellent value for money. However, some people might not like the plastic waste that comes with these disposable tubs. Up next, we have the Pro Breeze Dehumidifier, boasting a larger 1500 ml capacity. This is a portable powerhouse designed to combat dampness, mould and moisture in your campervan, caravan or any other confined space. Its compact dimensions of 23x 15x 33.66 then make it suitable to keep in the van. Reliability is key when it comes to dehumidifiers, and the Pro Breeze has received praise for its consistent performance. It features a clear water tank, so you can easily monitor when it needs emptying, which is a handy feature for busy travellers. In terms of durability, this dehumidifier is built to last, constructed with high-quality materials that resist wear and tear from frequent use. Users have found this to be a reliable companion on their adventures, ensuring a comfortable and dry environment wherever they go. Just bear in mind that this is a mains-powered option, so you'll need a hookup or leisure battery installed to use it. Now, when it comes to the price point, the Pro Breeze dehumidifier is competitively priced for its capacity and features. While it might be a bit pricier than the previous option, the larger tank size and enhanced performance make it a worthwhile investment. Moving on to the 500ml Black Air Pro Mini Compact Air Dehumidifier, we have a sleek and stylish option for those who value aesthetics. This dehumidifier is designed to fit seamlessly into your campervan or caravan. The reliability of this compact dehumidifier has been praised by users. It effectively removes moisture, prevents mould, and helps maintain a comfortable living space. Its small size makes it versatile, and users love the fact that it's easy to move around. Again, this is mains powered and so will need a hookup or other power source to use it. Durability-wise, the 500m Black Air Pro is built to withstand everyday use. Its compact size doesn't compromise its sturdiness, and users have found it to be a long-lasting solution to their humidity problems. When it comes to price, this mini dehumidifier is budget-friendly. It's an affordable option for those looking to address humidity issues without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about the Unibond Aero 360O moisture absorber, which offers a slightly different approach to dehumidification. This device is designed to prevent condensation, mould and musty odours in your campervan or caravan by sucking moisture into a solid tab instead of a more traditional gel. It's a refillable condensation absorber, and it comes with one refill tab, 450G included. This means it's great for those off-grid who want a more sustainable approach. In terms of reliability, the Unibond Aero 360O has gained popularity for its innovative design. It features a 360-degree airflow for maximum efficiency, ensuring every corner of your space is protected from excess moisture. Users appreciate its effectiveness in preventing mould and condensation buildup. Durability-wise, this unit is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle the rigours of life on the road, making it a dependable choice for travellers. When it comes to price, the Unibond Aero 360O moisture absorber is reasonably priced for the level of protection it offers. Plus, the fact that it's refillable means it can save you money in the long run compared to disposable options. Last but not least, we have the Aeronic Rechargeable Mini Dehumidifier, available in a convenient twin pack. These dehumidifiers are designed to absorb moisture into the gel pack inside, which you then simply plug in to dry out. Then they're ready to go again. Reliability is a strong suit for this product. Users have found these mini dehumidifiers to be effective in reducing excess moisture and preventing mould. The rechargeable feature adds to their convenience, ensuring you don't have to constantly replace batteries, and are great for those going off-grid for their holidays. Durability-wise, these dehumidifiers are built to withstand everyday use. They're compact yet sturdy, making them suitable for life on the road. In terms of price, the Aeronic Rechargeable Mini Dehumidifier Twin Pack offers excellent value for money. The fact that they are rechargeable can save you on ongoing costs compared to disposable options. Now that we've covered our top 5 campervan and caravan dehumidifiers, let's briefly compare them to help you make an informed decision. The Ancio Dehumidifier Pack of 10 is an excellent budget-friendly and non-electric choice, offering reliability and convenience in bulk. The ProBreeze Dehumidifier 1500ml is a high-capacity option for those who need a bit more power and can afford a slightly higher price point. The 500ml Black Air Pro Mini Compact Dehumidifier combines style and performance at an affordable price, but needs a mains power point. The Unibond Aero 360O moisture absorber takes a unique approach with its 360-degree airflow and refillable design, providing lasting protection and less plastic gel in the landfill. The Aeronic Rechargeable Mini Dehumidifier Twin Pack offers versatility and convenience with its rechargeable feature, making it the most planet-friendly of our picks. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs, whether you're going off-grid and your budget. In conclusion, keeping your campervan or caravan dry and comfortable is essential for a pleasant travel experience. Investing in a reliable dehumidifier can help you achieve just that. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you toward the best dehumidifier for your adventure on the road. Safe travels and see you in the next video.